high-intensity RC IED bomb was found about 100 meters away from Patsoi Lamkhai near HBC, along the Imphal-Jiri road this morning, according to reports. On getting the information, a team of AR police and bomb experts rushed to the spot and defused the explosive at the venue. Later, it was taken by the team of Sangaitel for disposal. Further details are awaited. President of BJP Jiribam Mandal P. Rakeshwar Singh passed away yesterday from an illness. In this regard, Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, Government of Manipur, K. Sarat Kumar Singh, condoled the demise of Rakeshwar Singh. A one-day awareness program on welfare scheme certificates for disabled people were held yesterday at the Wangu Naudakhong Community Hall. The event was organized by Society for Disabled Persons. In this regard, Kumbi Constituency MLA S. Bira urged the masses on providing correct information while applying for disabled certificates and other welfare schemes for the government. Reiterating its commitment to enhance employment opportunities in the operational areas, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation ONG requested the agitating groups not to resort to propose 48-hour ONGC ban from Thursday. ONGC also appealed to the people and contractor unions to cooperate and withdraw the proposed ONGC ban to ensure uninterrupted supply of oil and gas for the nation's growth. The ONGC has been operating in Assam for the last 60 years. A US-based top advocacy group has said India has become a leader in the global fight against a youth e-cigarette epidemic by taking a historic decision to ban such nicotine and tobacco products. The government have banned production, import and sale of e-cigarettes and similar products, citing health risks to people, especially youth. An ordinance will be brought in to make it an offence, entailing jail term of up to 3 years as well as fine.